Change is happening faster than we'd like. Disruption, distraction, re-engineering and restructure are becoming constant. People are finding it hard to stay focused on the things that really count, and managers are finding it hard to keep their people performing at their best. Well, I want to show you the science behind how change affects our performance and the behaviours that we choose. In this session, I'll help your staff embrace change and focus on their high performance behaviours. And I'll show your managers how to keep their people engaged during these periods. But most of all, I'll challenge your staff to embrace change and take responsibility for making it work. If they're currently stuck in the victim cycle, this session will help get them into the change cycle and take control of their situation. You'll take a humorous look at how change affects our brains and why people often act irrationally during the change process. You'll get a thorough understanding of the behaviour model to understand how to take control of your behaviours and therefore your situation. You'll also learn the #1 rule of performance, which is the only things we can truly control are our own behaviours. If disruption is challenging the way your people work and the way your managers lead, then this session is going to help you get on top of it.